Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to reset your Instagram Explore page. For that, you need to go to Instagram, click on search button. Here you can see the which is the favorite you are seeing that your day to day life. It will show here. So for that, you need this content mask list. You need to do that. Go to profile, click and click on horizontal lines. Go to settings and privacy. Here you need to click on suggested content. Here you need to click on interested. Anything is not there for last 30 days. Here you need to click on sensitive content. Here you have more, you might see more sensitive content. Standard, you might see some sensitive content, and you might see less sensitive content. I was clicking on less sensitive content. If you click on less sensitive content means your favorite things was is coming on Instagram is very low. After clicking this, now see it is coming very low. So like that, you can explain your Instagram explore content. Thank you.